Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download stickers inline. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Line app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now go to setting icon on top right corner. Now tap on stickers as shown here. Next, here you will get many options. Go to my stickers and here you can see a list of stickers. You can download any of it. If you want to download all of it, simply tap on download all, and if you want to download one of it, then you can simply tap on download icon and download a particular stickers. So this is how you can download stickers on Line. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.